Hi everyone, Ponez here, and in this video I'm going to show you a backtest session of how I trade. I'm not profitable yet, that's why I'm recording this video so I can watch it later. If you want to watch my journey, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I try to post a backtest video every day until I become consistently profitable. So let's do it. We are inside this major POI. Maybe we could mark like this. We tap this 50%. I'll mark like this. Doesn't make that much of a difference. There was no liquidity here. I'll mark this because it's kind of close. Maybe since we tap this we can break the H1 inducements. I also took out this liquidity, which was also daily. So maybe, yeah, maybe we can take this, I don't know. Right now price is all internal. And right here, we took out this liquidity. We have this and this. On H4 we have this imbalance fill. This bigger block is already mitigated by this. And below, we don't have any clear imbalance fill. Maybe this, or even this one. On H4 it's this. On H1 is here or maybe here. I'll mark the more extreme on H1. Yeah, let's see what happens. Let's just see the M5. M5, the manipulation was this one. And then we took it out right here. So this was the last M5 manipulated. Tap this. Since we are internal, I have to work with what I have. The M5 will be right here only, the external M5. So we have to play with internal stuff. Actually M5 was here. Since this was a straight leg, maybe we're going to take this low, I don't know. Price already tapped here to continue the M5. I don't think this is enough to make price go up. It already gave the reaction after tapping here, came all the way up, and then developed all this internal stuff. Took out H1, tapped something here, and gave M5 down. I think these lows are going to get taken, but let's see. Okay, took out this less liquidity of this leg. Maybe we can short here. Price is going straight up. This was the M1 external manipulation. Maybe we tap this POI. Already tapped. I'll try to shoot from here. Oh, went straight up. Broke. Maybe you can do something like this. This looks good. Almost a engulfing. The only problem is that M1 is going high. The push up is very strong. And it's going to break. Yeah. Okay. This N5 ended up. No, yeah, it actually worked, but didn't take any lows here. I thought it was going to take this, but it didn't. Now we can't long. This is another H1. Maybe no H1. There's this major POI and this week as well. I'm gonna see M5 delivering bearish for me to short. M5 manipulation. Like here, went up, went down. Yeah, this can be a manipulation. I want to short from here. On M1, maybe you can use this. But I want my stop loss above this high. Targeting here. This looks good. Maybe price will come back to the 50%. We only tap the beginning of the POI. Holy shit. Okay, now it came. Nice. I don't want a long here. I want a long here if price comes down. But can we long here? We only have this leg up, if you only consider this leg. But if you're going to consider everything, M5 here was manipulating up, broke down, and now it's going up. We could say it's efficient. So I'll try to long here. Not on the extreme, I don't want to long here in the middle of the leg. M5, tap the POI. There was no manipulation. Should do another entry. short. Need to break this high. Okay, broke. There is no POI here. Only if you can use this again, because the manipulation was this one. So if this candle were a bit higher, then we could use. I'm not going to use this now. Now it's up to 50%. Price is mitigating up. Yeah, it's very tight PA. Maybe now it's going to go break up everything. Yeah, everything is holding. Maybe I should long. I don't want to long the middle of the leg, but since price is doing all of this stuff, maybe I should. Let's see. Broke here. One leg, two. We could have long it here. One, two. This is the manipulation. Tap this POI. This was on long. This was equal highs. I don't want to use this manipulation because this was equal highs. Didn't work. The longs actually worked. Another H1. Holy shit. I should have longed here. Instead of... I was too focused on waiting this that I forgot the M5 could be mitigating. There was this trade. Broke. Maybe here as well. Yeah, this one. I didn't tap this POI. Okay. Price needs to come back here for me to long. Now it's at this huge wick. Can give a reaction. 1, 2, 3. We could short this. There was this manipulation. Let's try. Maybe it will come here to become efficient again, and then we can long down there. Didn't tag me in. Okay, it came back and it broke. M5. M5, step maybe this. No manipulation. Now it gave a manipulation. But I'm only trying to short because we tapped this POI, but it's nothing major. The best should be too long. but there's only one leg up. We're creating the second one. Okay, give the candle M5, manipulate M5, manipulation, another M1, M5 manipulation, M1 manipulation. I'll try to short like this. Actually like this. Let's see if price comes back. Okay, worked. And the day's over. Yeah, maybe I should have targeted here 5R. Yeah, this short looked better. I should have targeted here 5.28R. Alright, let's see, the first short was okay. Manipulation, tapping the extreme, almost in engulfing. Then here I messed up. Price was efficient too long. 50% mitigated here, given engulfing, I could have done like this. Was going to enter here, probably. And target here, 2.42R, or maybe here. Probably have done this, because I already had the stop loss here, another one here. 2.42. Oh, there was another here. I didn't notice. Oh no, it was internal. Price we broke like this. The M5 mitigations. First one broke, came back. Second one did all this, then came back. This would be the another one. And then this one. This manipulation was internal. Gave a reverse here. Tapping this POI. I would have waited here. So there was no long for me there. And the short was just unlucky. Normal stop loss. And this short was nice. After M5. Tapping the high time frame POI. Came down. Maybe it's going to be efficient here and it will go up. And the efficiency M5 is here. Let's just see what happens. Came all the way down and now it's mitigating up. M5. Oh, ended up losing the efficiency. So whatever. Let's see how the day went. Break even day. That's okay. If I had done the other long, it was going to be probably 2R. So that's fine. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.